What is truly irresistible for your prospects? And it's a very important question, because if you can figure that one out, there is nobody stopping you from reaching people, from lead generation, from closing deals. And there are actually 4 things that are irresistible like crazy. Number 1 is the mystery. There is something out there that you do not know what's happening. I'll give you an example. If you have a competitor that's eating your market share, you will get very, very nervous. All of these mystery type of approaches have their roots in something called provocative selling, where you actually will provoke your buyer into thinking differently. You're missing out on an opportunity. Something's happening. You don't know. Somebody is stealing your lunch. Works really, really well, but sometimes it's a bit too much. So number 2, what always works is the shortcut. You're watching this short video because you know this will help your sales. We people always want to take shortcuts. There is no other option. And what you do with the shortcuts is you tell them something operational. If I say to a sales, this is the top sales cold call technique for 2024 or 2025, you will pay attention. We cannot resist shortcuts. Just think in operational type of content. Number 3, strong opinions. Polarizing. And this took me a long time before I dared to do it. But saying something like sales is that, well, I can assure you, if you're in sales, you're going to think, well, what is he saying? Why is he saying that? You want to know. So be careful with this one. But polarizing and having strong opinions is very, very powerful. Typically, you see this with thought leaders and that kind of persons. But you can actually do it. It works pretty well. And last but not least, and this took me a long time to figure out, it's something purely entertainment. We all tend to be very serious in our business. We all tend to be very careful with what we say. But adding the element of laughter, adding the element of entertainment will have a dramatic change in your business. And we did a lot of videos, and the moment we started being a bit more playful, we noticed there was way more uptake, way more conversion, way more views. I think if you use one of those 4, I am pretty sure you will always land the deal.